Hi everyone and welcome to the Chedi Bali. We are here in Ubud and this resort is just divine.
It is seriously amazing, guys, and I cannot wait to show you what the hotel has.
So keep on watching and you'll see our whole experience from start to finish.
Oh, I can see the doubt in those eyes. Even though you try to hide it, there's not much to figure out, 'cause I know why. And I won't try to fight it, and I'll be the first to tell you, you were right. Oh, you were right, oh, you were right. Won't try to say I'm sorry this time, but I want you to know that I was wrong. I know, I just wanna say that I was wrong. I know.
Don't fly.
I want you to know that I was wrong. I know.
Don't worry, babe, don't worry.
Yeah.
You know that I was wrong.
Oh, he ran away.
I want you to know that I was wrong. I know. Oh, I want you to know that I
So we're just in the monkey forest. Beck and Ash.
Which I nearly just got eaten.
Well, you didn't, you just got really scared.
Don't know about that.
And we just fed the monkeys with bananas.
We tried to.
As you can see, I'm like sweating up the storm. Just waiting while Johnny takes a photo. Monkeys in the background. And that's the background. So we're just back at our room. Look how incredible that pool is. We just have Jono dancing in the background and Ash editing our photos. It's just so beautiful.
So it's day 3, guys, at the Chedi Club. I'm here with Amy and the crew, the dream
Ash
team.
Money behind the camera and Beck over there.
Today we have so many exciting things planned. We got hiking.
We're going hiking to the rice paddies, the beautiful leveled ones. You would have seen them all over Instagram because people take a lot of photos there.
So many.
And we're also going to that giant swing which looks out over a huge cliff. I'm actually a little bit scared, but
Pretty high up.
yeah, I think Jono will probably freak out more than me, but that's just normal.
If I freak out, monkeys on freak over the swing.
And then we'll come back and relax because this place is just so beautiful. Can't let it go to waste. But yeah, we're going to take you through the day, so keep on watching. We just arrived at the rice terraces and it is extremely hot. Well, we want to go down there. We're currently like at the top, but we want to go down there.
I just wanna say that I know. I just wanna say that.
Alright, guys, so picked up a bit of greens. Nothing better than doing a quick workout, quick 10 squats. Even on holidays, trying to stay on top of it. So we're just here today in Ubud, Bali, and it is absolutely boiling, sweating. I feel like I'm getting a workout from just standing here. And you got AMC there down, sitting down.
I got lost in the storm, my ways. Couldn't pull myself together, and I'll be the first to tell you, you were right. Oh, you're right.
So we've just arrived at the coffee plantation where they do the luwak coffee, which is the coffee where the luwak it out, and they grind the coffee from it. It's very clean though. Yep, but it's very clean and yeah, Jono's going to try it. I'm not game enough to, but we also have a selection of all their other products that they have. They have a lot of like ginseng tea, cinnamon, saffron tea, ginger tea, lemongrass, like seriously you name it, they have it. So we're going to try those.
And Amy's going to demonstrate each one of them. So make sure that you enjoy that part.
Okay, you good? Have you smelt it or?
I've smelt it enough. I'm trying to be a coffee
connoisseur?
Yeah. I'm about to try a cappuccino. Straight through from the cat.
What's not?
Look, what's his name?
Luwak.
Luwak. It's a nice poop.
No,
That's nice. Tastes, yeah. Just normal. Cappuccino. Happy Monday, guys. Today here we're down at the Chedi, and nothing better than having a nice breakfast in the pool with AMC.
A champagne breakfast.
Champagne breakfast.
Floating in the pool. I mean, can it get better than this? I don't think so.
Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me here all alone. Boy, don't tease me, don't tease me, don't tease me when you go. You could've had me, you could've had me, you could've had me under the sky, under the bright sky where planes don't fly. Why do you have to go? You told me you would stay. I wrote our names in the sand, but it got washed away. Baby, don't leave me stranded like a castaway. Don't you leave me stranded like a castaway. Why do you have to?
So it's currently raining and I'm in the pool and it's so nice, so warm. We're about to do a cooking class with the head chef here at the Chedi Club.
Dean.
His name is Dean, and we're going to cook traditional Balinese style food. So we'll take you through that. You can see us doing a cooking class.
I had a dream I was drowning. What do you think that means? You wave and watch when the waves are washing my body clean. But when I'm done dreaming, will I be next to you? Cause an ocean view without you is just a view. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me here all alone. Boy, don't tease me, don't tease me, don't tease me when you go. You could've had me, you could've had me, you could've had me under the sky, under the bright sky where planes don't fly. Why do you have to?
Welcome back, guys. We just finished our cooking class, and how was it, Amy?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. We got to taste all of the food that was cooked and it was just incredible. Honestly, I'm so eager to eat the rest of the food.
And we actually got to check out where the produce comes from, so it was really exciting, and we did quite learn a lot.
So we also got these cute little certificates to certify that we did the Balinese culinary class at the Chedi, along with our mug shots as well. So we're now certified Balinese chefs. I wouldn't go too far to say that, but hey. You can now cook me growing at home, okay?
Seriously. Alright guys, it is time to finally leave the Chedi. We had such a great time. What did you think, eh?
We had the best time. It was the best way to experience Bali for our first time. We experienced the food, we experienced culture. It was incredible.
And we experienced the weather as well. The temperatures were high, but you know what I mean? It is Bali, guys, so make sure to pack lightly. And stay tuned for our next vlog.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed our vlog. We'll be making more, so make sure you tune in for the next one.